In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Some of the people are so miser, so stingy that they don't want to do the favors, even the smaller, even the trivial favors to the people. They have a very unkind heart. These people have a very tough heart, not a soft heart at all. These people are of the view that if at all we do entertaining the people, we do start giving the smaller favors to the people, that we will become weak and we will deprive ourselves with the money. I'm not asking the people to do the big favors, because big favors everywhere else it is not feasible. It is not feasible. But at certain places I think it should be done as well. Although the people like to do it for the stronger people, for the influential people, for the wealthy people, for the powerful people, or with someone against whom they want certain they want to take certain benefits from those people. So it is actually like you scratch my back and I shall scratch yours, and not without any worldly benefit, and not with the sincere intentions. I think so. As far these small favors are concerned, we must be ready to do it to the ordinary people, to the people we don't even know. As for the smaller favors are concerned, as for the trivial sacrifices are concerned, because it actually gives us a pleasure. It gives pleasure to our soul, and it actually nourishes our soul, our spirit as well, makes us a rich person in an other manner, and it creates a kind of respect in the minds and hearts of the people. So for that reason I believe for that reason I believe that we should be ready to make the small sacrifices, even if someone else requests us with this small trivial favor. We should be ready to do it. We should not budge from it. We should not refuse it. And because refusing it will actually create a kind of hatred or a disrespect or a lack of respect in the minds and hearts of the people for us, and this is not a good deal at all. The good deal is actually to be ready to make the smaller sacrifices, to give the smaller players, to give the smaller favors, to do the smaller favors. I think so this goes right into our own benefit, not only the benefit in the life hereafter. As for the benefits in the life hereafter are concerned, it will only be given to us if at all we are doing favors to the people for the sake of pleasing Allah, and not for the sake of worldly benefit. But even if at all somebody who does not care about what is going to happen in the life hereafter, are the people who don't believe in the life hereafter, I think so they too should be slightly generous, and not a stingy person at all, and not a miser person at all. Being a miser one is actually bad for we ourselves. Not to talk of the benefits of the other people. Obviously, if we do favors to the smaller favors to the people, they will benefit from it. But if at all it does not benefit them, even then it will benefit our own, it will benefit us as well. So for the sake of our own benefits, we should be ready to make the small favors. Now some of the people they are ready to do the favors to the people who are influential, to the people who are powerful. And I think so, as far this thing is concerned, this is only for the worldly benefit, and this is not on the humanitarian ground. And we should try to become a good human being as well. We should try to become a slightly generous human being as well, because being a good human, it gives us a unique feelings. It gives us actually a sense of nourishment to our soul, to our mind, and it brings the best out of ourselves. It gives us a self image of a winner, a self image of a contributor, a self image of a nice person, the self image of a nice person. This is how the things gets done. This is how the things gets done. So if at all we are prepared to make our life better, if at all we are prepared to beautify our life, I'm talking about the beautification of our own life. I'm not talking about the benefits of the other people. If at all we are doing it for the benefits of the other people, definitely it will be more beneficial for us, because it will please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And once we are complying the instructions and the orders of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it will give us even more benefit. But as I earlier said, that suppose we don't somebody does not believe in it, somebody does not believe in the existence of Allah, if at all somebody does not believe in the life hereafter, even then, for the sake of their own beautiful life, for the beautification of their own life, they should start they should start giving the smaller, the trivial sacrifices to the people. Rather, it should be taken as an opportunity. If at all somebody requests you for a favor, and the favor is going to be a very small one, I think so it is a kind of opportunity which should be availed. It is a kind of opportunity which should be availed. All of us needs help, and we remain in the need of help from the people. Also, we are found, we are found praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, requesting certain benefits and mercy from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But we must keep this thing in our mind, that if at all we should keep this thing in our mind, that if at all we are seeking favors from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if at all we want a mercy from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we should be we should be we should become slightly merciful to the people as well. We should become slightly generous person as well. Thank you.